This week on Secondhand Sailors, we're finally able to leave our slip and test our engine after some much needed repair work.
Oh Lord, here we go. Into the midst of the crab pots. Can you see them? Little tiny torpedoes just waiting to rip my propeller off. Going down beside the crab pot.
Welcome to Secondhand Sailors. I'm Turner.
I'm Renee. I hope you enjoyed today's episode. It's all about getting that engine repaired and testing it out on the water.
Mechanic's been here. He's done his thing.
Cleaned up under the engine. Got what little bit of oil it was there. We're going out to do a test run. And then when I get back in, I'll be able to check under the engine, see how everything looks. Get back at it.
All right, let's get moving. Air conditioner's off.
Air condition goes off.
And we close the
Air condition, seacocks close.
Now we go over here and we flip the main panel off. And then I flip the instruments on. Right here. Come over here. Navcom. Instruments.
Let's go get the covers off the winches. Covers off the instruments. Unzip the stack pack.
Covers off the Dodger.
Covers off the front of the Dodger. Got the spare halyard. We got a stove, put it to the side. And then we can unplug and get our lines loose and get this
moving in
thing fired
reverse.
up.
Yay!
Gotta be safe. Let's get those life jackets.
Ready? Coming back slow. Into reverse, out of reverse. Plenty of room behind us. And the reason we put it in gear and take it out of gear is to keep our prop walk also from trying to shove the back of the boat around too bad. I can actually steer the boat better in reverse when she's out of gear right now.
It's time to get excited now.
Let the valve come on around. And I still haven't touched the throttle. And we're going forward.
Making our way out the channel.
I'm only running 1,000 RPMs right now. I wasn't pushing the engine just hard. There ain't a lot of wind. Got a pretty good bit of boat traffic. So we get outside the crab pots, you know the drill. I'm gonna turn it into the wind, put on autopilot, main comes up, turn off of the wind, then we're gonna pull the jib out.
Oh Lord, here we go. Into the midst of the crab pots. Can you see them? Little tiny torpedoes just waiting to rip my propeller off.
Last time we came in was whenever it was blowing really hard and the sail is reefed in right now. Alright? So as we raise the sail, I'm gonna have to take and shake the reef out of it. Let's pull her out.
And it's finally time to get the sails out and start sailing.
Right there.
Jib is out.
You see what just happened to my face?
What?
See this?
Ah,
That's what I want right there.
we have had a couple of stressful weeks, haven't we?
Yeah.
It's nice to.
You only use the engine to get in and out, but and in Mercy, but
And considering the number of emergencies we have, we really don't like to sail without that engine, huh?
Yeah. Loving just a little bit of wind. blowing 7 knots. We're doing 3. We're in good shape.
Yeah.
Let me get old Squeaky fixed back here.
There's the bow. And do you see the crab pot straight out in front? You do not want to hit it. Do you see the crab pots?
Do you see the crab pots?
See this? Renee doesn't do all the videoing.
Hey, is Turner going forward to see if he can get us some good bow shots for y'all? And that means I'm on crab pot watch. Okay, today was just a day to get out on the water and test our engine a little bit. We took the engine out, got us out of the channel. We've maneuvered among the crab pot, what is it, obstacle course?
It's like going through the Strait of Hormuz.
Yeah, with crab pots. It absolutely is. I don't know if this crab man is a millionaire because he has so many crab pots, or if he is destitute and he's putting as many out as he can to make a fortune, or at least to survive, but he has got a lot of crab pots out here.
Once we got back to the dock, the moment of truth had arrived. Time to check for oil leaks.
Some little bits that's run from forward. I don't see where anything's run.
Nothing else is coming out?
Everything look all right to me so far.
Can we call our repair a success?
So far.
Yeah. Let's make sure we curb our enthusiasm. Don't get all excited now. Stay calm.
I hope you enjoyed today's video of us trying to get this engine fixed and get it tested. And I hope that you will drop us a comment down below. Also, give us a thumbs up.
Subscribe. Till next week, tell your mom and them Turner said hey.